Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this video is all about clip-ins. Clip-ins, clip-ins, clip-ins. Y'all know they're my favorite and I love Betterlength. So today I'm showing you their upgraded seamless clip-ins. I've always wanted to try these seamless clip-ins without the shiny band, and these are perfect. So this is what the clip-ins look like when you first get it. They're nice, they're flat, they're texture. Did I tell y'all the texture I had? I have light Yaki, and I think I've tried probably almost every texture from Betterlength. So this is our starting point. Remember, this is what our natural hair looks like. These are the clip-ins. Now I did dye them jet black to match my hair color, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. I did do the watercolor dye method or whatever, and as you can see, perfect match. So we're about to install these, and I know I probably say this on every clip-in video, but it really doesn't matter how you clip the clip-ins in as long as they look good in the end, because the parts don't be straight, and that doesn't matter because no one can see the parts. As long as your clip-ins are in, they feel secure and comfortable, you're good to go. And I am straightening the clip-ins before I put them in because my hair is already straight, so I don't want to accidentally add extra heat by like straightening the clip-ins with my hair. So that's all I'm doing.
How I feel when I'm around you started. Last night we didn't stay, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of HB, ain't either. Why second guess I should've stayed? Cause you know what's on my mind, so
And here's a close-up of the clip-in. It's really flat and seamless compared to the original seamless clip-ins. It did have the like shiny band. I definitely prefer these better because it just gives the illusion of the hair growing out of your scalp. So yeah. And here's the final look, really nice and natural and flat. This is probably one of my flattest clip-in installs because the seamless clip-ins aren't bulky like normal clip-ins for some reason, but I do still have 2 pieces left from this set, so I definitely agree that one set is enough for your full head. This is 16 inches on me. It's pretty long for a 16, um, but I am gonna go in and trim the ends because they just need a little trim. I don't normally trim clip-ins because I never clip them in the same every time, and I don't want to mess up the evenness of them, but these needed a trim, so you can see the difference. They look much more full and just a lot healthier, so I'm satisfied with that. And I am going to show you guys a few of my favorite styles. This is number one. I think I do this style with like any kind of hair I have in. I'm gonna do me 2 ponytails with the back down. So I also love a half up, half down, high or low. I've been feeling the lower ponytails lately though. For some reason they don't give me a headache, so I love that. I'm also gonna throw on a claw clip. I love me a cute little claw clip style. Y'all probably know that too, but we're just gonna leave the hair in the back messy. This also helps conceal any of like maybe your clip might be showing. This is gonna conceal all of that, and look how cute it looks from the back. For the next style, I took all the clip-ins out because we're gonna do the invisible seamless ponytail. Normally when I do my clip-in ponytails, I part my hair and then I clip the clip-ins in each section, but there's easier ways and I'm gonna show you. So all you do is kind of like section out the middle back of your head. Well, I guess wherever you want your ponytail to sit. I want mine to sit in the back, the middle, so that's what we're gonna do. And I think you can make this circle as big or as little as you need. um I don't want any lumps in mine, so I made my circle smaller. Like this is my first time actually doing this, so follow along. I made my ponytail a little smaller because I don't plan on using that many clips. I think the bigger circle, when I turn around, you'll see the circle I'm talking about, but the bigger the circle, the more clip-ins you would probably use. So I don't want that many. So as you can see, the circle is small. So I'm going to clip the clip-ins in around that. And I'm only using the smaller clip-ins. So I'm going to use all 4 of the 2 clip-ins. And then I'm going to use 1 or 2 of the 3 clip-ins. I think I only use 1 though. And then once you do that, you gather all your hair and form a ponytail. And there should be no lumps, no bumps, no humps, nothing. It should be a nice, sleek ponytail. You see how naturally flat that's looking? This is definitely going to be the way I'm going to do these ponytails from now on. So we're just scooping all our hair up, and then I'm going to put a ponytail holder on, and here's our ponytail. I don't think this would have worked with any other clip-in besides a seamless clip-in because those are much flatter, less bulky. And here's the final result of the ponytail. This looks so natural and it even feels a little better. So I also am going to show you guys a cute little bun that you can do as well. You literally can do whatever hairstyle you want with clip-ins. Like, It's like a sew-in for real, but it only took you 10 minutes. So I'll be sure to list all of Betterlength's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the clip-ins that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.